Let's do it again. Tell me when you actually say action.
Action.
You've just started. You know, you said that blah blah blah, it's that roller. Yeah.
Yeah.
So surely, okay, yeah, it's loaded up a lot, but doesn't that mean I can just squeeze it out?
Well, it means you should be able to keep going do the whole floor with it, but
Like that?
yeah.
So they do say you shouldn't squeeze a roller, but in this case, we're going to ignore that, aren't we?
Well,
Oh look, what's this? Oh, John, this hasn't been sanded, man.